Hey, welcome to Clark's Place. We are getting ready to head up to Carlisle, Pennsylvania for the
Chrysler Nationals.
Chrysler Nationals. And we'll have a booth. What are we, K126, 127?
I think it's 133, but...
No. I don't have it out here. I think it's 120.
I'll put a little
Yeah.
graphic on how to find our booth. But I think it's K133 or 136.
We're bringing...
So you can see, this is the road to Carlisle video. So
we're
you can
not
see
taking tons and tons of stuff, but not all Mopar. We got a lot of car, man cave stuff we're bringing. It's some pictures and some Richard Petty Pepsi bottles, crate. We've got a lot of grinders, dies that we bought years ago.
We got a lot of patches, Ford patches. We got a lot of drill bits.
Oh, these are tap or dies.
Tap and die sets.
Yeah, that whole thing's full. And
you want that picture of a Super B, you need to get that from us.
Here's some chrome
there's a
headers
Coke crate.
For a 440. We got a couple exhaust manifolds there for a 440. They're the nice ones, but they're not 69. They're like 77.
My old rear axles with the little short stubby bolts. There's a piece of my rocker I cut out of my car. I was saving for metal, but maybe somebody wants that. I don't know.
We've got a roof that's got some dings in the top. We're not going to try to use it. We don't have an English wheel. It could be worked. We'll have it there.
68, 970.
Full roof.
Charger roof.
I believe it's an AMD. I think.
Yeah. Don't mess
Take it
with
out
it.
from the side because it's very weak. But
yeah,
anyway,
it got dented there. That's a AMD roof though. And then Charlie's got some intake parts for a Hemi. He's bringing. Oh, there's another 440 exhaust manifold. That might be an HP manifold. You got, looks like a B-body hood and then a 70 Charger
yeah, that's
hood
a lift
there.
off, a fiberglass hood, and then this is, I mean, that's a nice 70 hood.
Yeah, pretty decent.
So we'll have it in our booth.
You just got a nicer one that we're going to use, right?
Well, it's not that it's nicer. It's about the same. Here, this is the panels that go around the door jambs inside
I didn't put mine back in.
To hide the wiring.
Somebody might want those. We got a new set of tires, or used set of, I think they've
only got a couple hundred miles on them.
Yeah. Dad bought them for the Challenger and never put them on, so
yeah.
Nice set of tires there. I believe there's 20-inch wheels.
20-inch.
And then let's see what else we got. Scooters, coolers. We'll have beer there, so stop by and see us.
Not for the beer.
Yeah, not.
We got a air hose that we're not going to use. We're taking the other stuff for us.
And then we got some signage and stuff like that, like that Yingling 75th over there. We've got an extra one of those. So we're going to Yingling Country up there. Did you want to get rid of your Hershey truck too, Pop?
Sure.
Okay, we'll take the Hershey truck since we're going to be close up there. We might just take the Hershey, and then we've got another one of those that we're going to bring. So, any hoot. Oh yeah, look at this Mustang coming along. Charger's coming along. Yeah.
We got some, we got a whole bunch. I mean, here's a whole box full of tools, drill bits.
Let's make a deal.
Wood. This has got.
You got lots of wrenches and cheapy wrench sets too,
Yeah, I got a whole
don't
bunch of wrench sets in there. There's more of the Pepsi bottles.
Okay.
There's a one of those multi-tools. It's like brand new.
Harbor Freighter.
There's a fuel pump stuff for older Buick.
Bel Air moldings.
This is a Bel Air gold
set.
molding
Turn signal for something.
from a company. This is a oil. You can look
Oh,
that,
dipstick.
you can look that number up. It's from Summit.
Okay, we'll have this with us.
Trans dipstick. So yeah, we'll have that there. Of course, first come, first serve. Someone really wants something like that.
You taking your seats or not? Or that's just your seat
That's my
set?
seats.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. No, we're taking those seat bottoms. There's a seat back. Out
Okay.
of a 69 Charger.
Okay.
Those will be there.
Okay. And then if there's something else you want that you saw on Clark's place, tell us, we'll bring it.
Beside your car.
Other than that, yeah, they can't have that.
Yeah, there's your logo.
Look for us in K133 or 136 or something.
I think it's 126, 127 or something.
Okay.
If you get over there
We'll
by
see
the
who's right.
K100s.
See you in a few days. All right, bonus. Pop's found some extra stuff we're bringing to Carlisle.
30 over rings.
30 over rings for a brand new set of Keith Black pistons.
Yeah, these were never installed. There's your KB Keith Black.
And they're a 30 over. Is that they are? Why didn't you
don't-
use these? You found out that you didn't.
They weren't 30 over. I think
Your block wasn't 30 over.
That's right.
That's what it was.
Yeah.
Was it 60 over?
It was 60 over.
That's what I thought.
So,
So
I don't
these
even
are
want-
brand new set. He's taking these 30 over. And then Doug also has a 67 Shelby taillight panel that I think he's saying 254. We've also got his 67 fastback trunk deck. What are we doing?
67 or 8.
67 or 8, they're same?
Yeah, for the fastback trunk deck.
And we're doing $600 on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're what, 800 new? Yeah.
800 new?
It's nice.
For
It's
600
like a
for that?
brand new fiberglass back.
Okay, so come put 6 bills in my hand when I'm up there, and Doug will thank you later.
Yeah, we got some
You can take
used-
them now.
Thank you.
All right, cool.
We
That's
got some
great.
used panels. I think there's a couple sets.
Those
We-
are
we wanna-
rear sail panels for 68
And
to
these
70
these
Charger.
are pretty decent. This is for the window. There's another rear one. They're used, but
Yeah,
come-
wheel and deal with us. Come
come
find
get an
us.
offer.
If you're gonna reupholster those or do something funny with them, there's some nice base frames that came out of a few different cars we've had, but
Okay.
we bought new for ours. What was the other thing we said we were?
there's a snorkel air
Oh.
cleaner.
Another breather. I don't think that sold last year because I refused to dust it. And here it sits a year later. So buy that from me for $900. Sounds like a deal to me. Okay, another addendum. Got a 383 Commando pie plate and then a 72 Dodge wiring harness we stripped out. And
Good for all the
it
connectors.
worked, everything was fine, but we put a whole new harness in the car, so if you're interested in this, come find us.
Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. It's like brand new.
Up a little bit of a flex right there, up. You
Yeah,
get a
but
little crescent wrench, you can
No,
get that right out.
You can do that
Oh,
with your hand because it's
Yeah.
aluminum or whatever that is.
Cool. Okay.
Okay.
Come find us. You know where we're at.
Okay.
Addendum part 2.
We're going to take all these Spawn characters that Chris has collected over the years. Most of some of the stuff is a little bit torn up boxes, but most of them are in decent shape. They've never been out of the box.
I don't take care of my toys very well.
But they're all Spawn stuff.
So we'll bring these Spawn guys up there. Maybe somebody will give me
I'm going to let go.
$100 for all of them. $100 for all of them. Yeah.
I'm going to let go of my signed Bell helmet from Richard Petty, and Kyle Petty signed it. And this was at a...
Went with your brother, wasn't it? Wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Bell helmet, new helmet that is signed by Kyle,
And then there's a hat in there.
signed by Sir Richard.
And then there's a Wells Fargo, which Kyle was racing.
Oh, Kyle raced that. He
He signed
that.
And then these came with it. They're t-shirts in the shape of his car. And that. And then I bought this, signed by Richard Petty, his career highlights. Here's a little graph.
I love this thing.
You can take the car down. It shows you the races, how many he won, top fives, total money he won. So that's kind of neat.
Pretty cool placard card of all his wins. Pretty
And then the display, it needs
all that goes together.
It needs to be Windexed and cleaned.
We're not doing that.
All goes together. We're going to take that. But
Clean
my
it
brother
yourself.
was present. He worked for Wells Fargo, and they drew his name, and he watched Kyle and Richard sign this, and I traded him some neon
Jeep
for a
parts.
Harley, and got the helmet.
That's cool.
And then you bought me the case. But
Yeah.
I think I'm done with it.
That case was $50 right there.
I know, so
Golly, son.
We're going to take it up there and sell it.
Okay. And then I've had this keyboard for about 10 years. It actually does work plugged in as a MIDI device controller with Personas Pro. I used it to mess around and play for probably 10 hours. And it does all kinds of beats and teaches you how to play and all that good stuff, but I'm done with it. I think it's $200, but offer me something nice and I'll probably take it.
Then I got this book.
Oh, you got a book?
I think this picture of Richard Petty,
Oh, put that with that.
that'll go with the helmet.
Yeah, put it inside the
And
helmet.
it's got an RAP. It's
Let's
an
see
embossed. I don't think you can see it.
I don't know if that's going to come out on the camera. I can see RAP
Yeah.
is like a center embossed in the bottom right corner, but
It's
it may
some
not show up.
photographer. But I got all these pictures of Bobby Isaac. Some of this stuff is signed. I think Parsons. There's Tiny Lund.
Tiny.
David Marcus. There's some stuff Richard Petty and the Woods Brothers.
Oh, I see ya. Cool old photos.
Yeah, these are really cool. There's Cal Yarborough.
Hey, man, there's Kale. Yeah.
Leroy Yarborough. Pure Later Car.
Old photos. Oh,
there's
a couple
Donnie
signed.
Allison that signed both of those.
Oh, that's cool.
There's another.
Bobby
Bobby Allison. They're signed.
Yeah, those are cool.
And then you got Daryl, Curtis Turner, just some old pictures. Leroy Yarborough, AJ Foyt, and Fred Lorenz's. And some of these are the stands at Daytona.
Oh, I love that car. Golly, that's the coolest car.
So I'll bring this. I mean, there might be somebody that maybe wants to buy a photo out of it. We'll see. But this will go with the helmet. So.
Yeah, cool. Put that with that. That
All right.
seems like a nice little collection to sell.
Yep.
Is
I
that?
got some poverty cups
We didn't.
or poverty caps. It's
Yep.
a nice set. They're not bad shape.
Yep.
This one needs the red ring. Two of them.
Yeah, they all need some
But
visitation
buffed up.
rights.
I mean, they're not beat up. So.
Yep, cool. I got a Rolling Rock from Latrobe, Pennsylvania display case.
Yep.
Bucket of rocks, and then this is the actual Yingling 175th
Yeah.
that we're taking up.
This, what I was told, was the wood out of this was made from a warehouse they tore down, and they took this and gave it to. It's heavy. The top 1200. This is number. What is it? 1130. 38 out of 1200. They made 1200 to their top distributors, and they sent out. I mean, this is all 3D stuff. It's nice.
Yeah, it's cool. I love it.
I collected them. There's another one on the wall over there.
He's got one all the way over
I
there.
didn't want to take it down, so this was the other one I had, so I'm selling it.
Yeah, I like it. Looks cool. It's distressed way different than that one is distressed.
Yeah, they're probably all
it's
individual.
all just the wood that they were built out
See,
of,
this
I
had
guess.
some holes, like this had a handle on it or something, wherever it was.
Your other one is just like this. It's hanging from the same
Yeah.
leather.
Well, you don't, because it's got two big hooks on the back.
Oh, it wasn't
that-
hanging by that. It was hanging by that
No,
strap.
you don't hang it by this. You just put that up to make it look like it.
I see.
But,
Okay, very cool piece.
yep.
Very cool.
All right.
I think that's it.
We will see you in Carlisle.
See you
Friday
when-
and Saturday.
I guess Thursday morning we'll be out there.
We'll be there.
Okay. We'll
Friday. We're going to be there setting up Thursday.
We'll end on a Clark's Place logo. Look for our trailer Come up and say hi. Drink a beer with us. Should be fun.